Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1965 Buick Riviera, white hardtop, tan interior, just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Has the clamshell Hideaway lights, very distinctive for 1965. You see the spinner caps, the white wall tires. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here, inside and out. 1965 Buick Riviera. In 2002, it did win the AACA National Senior Award. So it is a award-winning vehicle. As we look through this 1965 Buick, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, about 1.5 miles away from the Sarasota airport on 301, just north of University, on the corner of University and Televast. If you're not in Florida or Sarasota and you have an interest in this 65 Buick Riv or anything else you may see on our website or on the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call, as we are a full-service dealership. We can get you this vehicle anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped to over 19 different U.S. states and 9 countries around the world. If you have financing needs or you'd like to finance the vehicle, we do have several classic car lenders and some late model lenders that we do work with. So don't hesitate to give us a call and we can get you the car wherever you may be. Again, our website is classiccarsofsarasota.com and our phone number is 941-355-1955. Just get the hood open. Sorry for the camera while we open up the hood here. As I mentioned, we keep about 100 cars in inventory here in Sarasota, Florida. They're all on the website. About 80% of the cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are exotic and or European or luxury vehicles. But back to this 65 Buick Riv. It does have the 425 cubic inch, 465 engine. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Produces 340 horsepower. It is the 465 Wildcat because of the 465 torque. It does have factory AC. Do see the air horns, and they do work. Power steering, power brakes. Just a beautiful vehicle here. The Hideaway lights do work. You'll see it on the website. We do have pictures of them working. We will go ahead and get the vehicle started up here, just so you can see it is a cold start. As we begin in it, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Again, a beautiful interior. It's got the wood grain, tan seats, seat belts. You see the award that it won back in 2002. Go ahead and get it started up. Starts right up. You can see it is cold. AM FM radio. As I mentioned, factory AC. Power windows. Go back and The exhaust, you don't see it, which is a good thing. You know, no smoke, no water condensation coming out. The paint is in excellent condition. Just a very nice, well-kept vehicle. Engine sounds fantastic. So just a beautiful vehicle. 1965 Buick Riviera. I'll just show you. Let's go ahead and turn those lights on so you can see them. There we go. Got the clamshells open and the lights are on. You have the brakes on so you can see they are open and working. The vehicle is still warming up, so we won't rev it up too much, but just to let you hear it a little bit here. Again, engine sounds great. Just a beautiful vehicle. 1965 Buick Riviera. Factory AC. Power steering, power windows, power brakes. White with tan interior. Just an absolutely gorgeous car. If you're interested, please give us a call, 941-355, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much. Appreciate you joining in.